Welcome to Quickclaim. Using this free online tool, you could quickly get cash back from HMRC and pay less tax in future. In less than 10 steps, Quickclaim will help you by calculating the value of any tax refund due to you and then helping you claim your tax refund. Sounds great, right? But how does Quickclaim work? Well, many employees spend money on work-related things, whether it's washing your uniform, working from home, using your vehicle for work, being a member of a union or a professional body. There's a long list of things you can claim for. HMRC give you allowances for more than 21 types of expenses and guaranteed tax allowances for millions of employees of between £60 and £950 each per year. You might be surprised what HMRC will let you claim for. By claiming your allowances, you will pay less tax and you will get a tax refund if you haven't claimed before. Here's how it works. Supposing you have earnings of £1,000. If you pay tax at 20%, then the tax is due on those earnings of £200. If you use Quickclaim and you claim allowances of only £100, let's say, then your net earnings become £900. Tax at 20% on that £900 is £180. That's a tax saving of £20. If you claim more allowances, or if your top rate of tax is higher than 20%, your tax savings and tax refunds will be much bigger. But how do you get a tax refund? If you pay tax at 20%, and if you're claiming, let's say, only £100 of allowances per year, and if you haven't claimed these allowances before, you can go back up to 4 years. Sadly, it's only 4 years. If you make that claim, you will have overpaid tax in the last 4 years of £20 for each of those years. That means you will have overpaid tax by £80 and HMRC will give you a tax refund of £80. Oh, and you'll pay less tax in future. But what would happen if you pay tax at 40%, or perhaps even claim twice the allowances of £200 a year? Then your tax refund and tax savings will be bigger. Let's have a look. Your earnings are still £1,000, but now paying tax at 40% gives you a tax bill for each year of £400. If you claim your allowances now using Quickclaim, you will reduce your net earnings from £1,000 to £900. Then, tax at 40% would be £360. That's a tax saving of £40 if you only claim £100 of allowances. If you haven't made a claim before and you want to claim, let's say, £100 of allowances for each year, and if you've paid tax at 40% for each of the last 4 years, by making a claim for those 4 years, you will have overpaid tax by £40 for each year. Your total overpayment of tax will be £160. So HMRC will send you a cheque for £160 if you make that claim. But that's double the tax refund if you had been paying tax at 20%. And of course, you'll pay less tax in future. So that's how you can get a tax refund from HMRC. But how much are you due back? And how can you claim your allowances from the taxman? Well, Quickclaim comes to the rescue here. Quickclaim will help you understand your tax, calculate how much tax you have overpaid, free of charge, and guide you to reclaim your money from HMRC. The valuation service is free, but there is a small charge if you use our automated claim writing feature. It's instantaneous. Using Quickclaim, you could get a tax refund worth tens, hundreds, or even thousands of pounds. What are you waiting for? Click on the links below. It's free.